Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 15th, 2023. I see there's a hint of sunshine coming out. So it's been raining, cold, in the 40s at night, lower 50s during the daytime. A big shock from the warm weather we've had. I'm over here by Pond 8. I'm calling it Pond 8 right now. So this is a pond I put in, a few weeks ago. And in the forested area here next to the property line. So this is what it looks like at this point. And what I'm planning, one of the things I want to do today is I've got some periwinkle or vinca vine in here that we dug up from the stone wall over on the new property. And Thea also got some of the hosta plants from a lady on Facebook. So since we're in a shaded area over here, I want to make it a nice little place to hang out. Now the deer will come in and eat a lot of the hostas, but that's okay. I do have to get some trees. I got lots of trees to plant over these next couple of weeks, to transplant rather. So I'll be putting some trees along the property line right here as well. But today I'm going to start off, see how well I can tolerate this, smoothing out some of this area over here, and then seeing what I can do as far as getting some of these plants in the ground. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Okay, I just finished getting the hostas and then the vinca or periwinkle in the ground. I did come up and grab Elon over there, the Takushi TB290, just to smooth out this area. Everything's pretty much packed in, and there's hostas. Dug down with the shovel as far as I could, but amongst all of these trees, all of the roots coalesce and intermingle. So this is a huge root mass underneath here, right near the surface of the ground. But I probably got a couple dozen hostas, and I think most of them are variegated hostas down in here. So they're in here. I pulled a fair number of rocks over to the side, came and used Mini-Me, the Kubota B2601 compact tractor, and picked up the roots and extra material. There's still some that I did not get out yet, still some roots there. Then I went ahead and I took the periwinkle and I laid it on the ground next to rocks and some of the trees. So I put periwinkle or vinca vine all the way around the base of the tree here, of this rock. Then I just switched the grapple on Mini-Me and out for the bucket, and then I got some of the double ground hardwood bark mulch and just laid it on top of it. So basically the roots of the vine are laid on the surface of the ground, and I just took the mulch and set it over the top of it. And I decided to do it this way because I still have some poison ivy around some of the trees, so I still have to deal with that, but there's no time for me to deal with that now. But this is what it looks like around the perimeter. And since this is compacting the soil here, well, let's see if we can get this thing to turn around here again. Since the soil is compacting here, I figured the best way is to put the mulch around the item, around the rocks, and as the vine starts to grow out next season, as the extensions come up, I can extend that and eventually line the whole forest floor here with wood chips, if I'm lucky enough to get wood chips. So Pond 8 is doing okay so far. The ground is really solidifying quite a bit here. It's compacted down nicely. So there's only one poison ivy little vine coming up on this tree, but you could see right around each one of these trees, and it's hard to see, but the vinca periwinkle's right down there. And that will expand out eventually, and we'll be able to hopefully control things. The only thing I don't like about these vines is the, sorry, the camera here, the gimbal, I gotta get used to this thing, is it can create a trip hazard as they expand out. So you really gotta be picking up your feet. And a couple more rocks. So I had enough to get around a few trees, just I think 3 trees, a few of the sitting rocks, and that's it. So that's what it looks like in here. It's been raining on and off, a little bit of sunshine pops out. Kind of a pain in the butt. So it's lunchtime now, so I'm going to go in and warm up, relax a little bit, have some lunch, and then decide what project is next this afternoon. So just wanted to share, got some hostas in the ground around this area. Eventually I think this would be a very nice area to sit around. And I plan on doing something similar to this around the new pond and the new property when I get the ground packed in and all. So this had a couple of months, well, at least 1 month of the ground getting compacted somewhat. So that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.